Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm going to be making a lace tassel, but first we're going to be making a tuck because I have a tuck that was in the stuff. So in my scraps, I thought we could go ahead and do our stamping, and we need a stamped item. So I thought we could do this. And we could go ahead and add some ink like we did before. So at the triangle and across, and the triangle and across. And I think that will be cool. Okay. This one, I think we'll go. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and ink around the outside. Okay, so we've inked. Okay. And then I have this stamp, and I'm going to stamp it in black because we have stamped a few things in black. Okay. Put it right here. So trying to go with the same idea of what we did before, so it kind of looks like we have, you know, the same thing going on. Okay. This one, I'm going to go ahead and let it stamp off. Okay. And then we also used, if I can find it, there it is, the little butterfly, and we had stamped it in brown. Let's see, we'll put it here. And there. Okay, so the little brown butterfly. So we've done a little cluster of stamping. And again, using the same things that we've already used, introduced in this journal before. And we've got our little tuck. We're going to go ahead and add a couple things here. Let's see, I'm thinking maybe one of the mushroom one. Okay, so we'll have ink. And we'll have a sticker. Okay, and we did this on the other tuck. Or on something. I don't think we need the whole piece. So remember, this is the dress that I cut up. Okay, yeah, put that down. I think we'll put it on the inside. Okay, so this is our tuck, and this is our stamping. So we use stamping for this one. We'll go with this side. Okay. I was wondering if I had any more of those. You have the sweet shop. I don't think I have any more like vegetables. I think we're down to seafood and okay, we haven't used one of these in a couple days, and I have these all over in the journal. Okay, I think put it up higher, like right there. I'm gonna have to get the rest of the tickets out. Yeah, I bought a bunch of them from Temu. I love them. I think they are such a great addition. Okay, I think that is, I'm like, I think that's good, but then again, I think it needs a little something, some texture or something. And I think I don't want to cover up the mushrooms here. Okay. So, did I have any more of the tan flowers? Let's see. Used all the tan flowers. We're doing so good on using things up. I'm just like really, really happy that we're using things up. Well, this can go on here. Yeah, it definitely, I think it needs something. Yeah, that will put that on there. Oh, we can glue it. Okay. So it's kind of like the snippet edge that we did. Okay, so that gives us a nice looking tuck. I was like, maybe it needs, how about, yeah, we're gonna put that on there because, you know, we have it. This is from the Ideals magazine image that we had cut. So we'll just set that on there. Gives us a little bit more dimension. Yeah, there you go. I like that. Okay, so that is a tuck, and we can go ahead and mark the stamped off. We made a tuck, corner tuck. Okay, because that other one, the hoarded one, we made a top tuck. Okay, for the next thing I have to use lace, and I have to make an embellishment, and I was like, what can I make? And remember, we did attach that little goodie onto the spine of the journal, so it needs like a dangle or a tassel. So I think we're going to go ahead and make a tassel out of a variety of laces. So I have this piece. It is from the napkin that we used on the big envelope with the double edge pocket. Okay, so it's 11 inches. And I did use a little bit of this lace in the journal, so we'll go ahead and do one of those. And I think we'll go ahead and cut up this piece of this one also. Okay, so that gives me that. That's also from a piece of lace. This is from the dress. Okay. think we'll go ahead and cut that right there. Okay. Okay, that's from the other part. Okay, so there's that. And then we've got this piece. That's a really long piece. Should I leave it that big or should I cut it down? I think I'll cut it down. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna need my lace cutting scissors. I know those green ones will. This is a cute little white lace dress that I ended up cutting up. So have you done that? Have you cut up a dress or a shirt? I have a couple of shirts that I've gotten and I've been able to cut up that had like little tiny doilies looking things on them almost. So yeah, so there's those pieces. So it gives me a variety of stuff going on in there. I really like it. So should we do another? I think we should do one more of these. And I'm cutting the ends at an angle. Okay. And then up here in my little metal box, I have a round, like from a keychain or something. I save all these when I find them. And I also say, okay, I have a few that are like from pop bottles and stuff like that also. Okay, so there's that. That's what I've got for my goodie. And then I have over here, I have copper. We'll use the copper this time. I know we're trying to use up that other one, but I think the copper will be better. And we are mixing our metals. So with the cover and stuff, having the other metal. We have some gold in the journal. We're mixing. The key ring is kind of silvery, so. Okay. So what I did with these last embellishments is I just went ahead and made them, and I will be putting the videos, compiling them together to get the best amount of time. So they might not, the desk might not look the same in between them and things like that. I just wanted to make stuff, and so, you know, like most of you get to do, you don't have to sit there and go, oh yeah, I need to teach something. Okay, there. I like this very much. Okay, now I have this little goodie. Okay, and so I'm going to add that, and I have pink, I have gold, I have purple, green. You know what? Is the green too green? I'm going to put green just to have it be different. Okay, so we made a lace tassel, and now we are going to decorate it so that it will look like it should go with what we had going on here. Okay, So I'm thinking it needs a little. Okay, to make it fall. Okay, where'd I go? There we go. Duh. Let's go pull this around. Okay. This can help me. Right? There. Okay, so now this can go up and under. Okay, so we've got our little goodie hanging here. Okay, we have a button. We have a heart. We have a log. Okay, obviously it would need a not be blue, right? So here we go. We have our little tassel hangy thing, and we have added, so we made the tassel out of lace, okay? And so this is our lace embellishment. And then we added the piece of wood, the button, the leaf charms, and this piece of leaf. We've also added ribbon. And so I think this is really cool. I think it turned out really cool. And that will hang on the outside of the journal on the little goodie that we attached. So that'll go just like that on the outside. And of course we'll be adding that when we add everything, okay? So let's put those metal pieces up there. So that is our lace embellishment, and we made a tassel. Woohoo! So there's our tassel. I love it. Lace tassel using items that literally we had hanging left over. Okay, so the scrappy pieces. I love it. Tassel. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.